She put her tongue on the other man's eyes and rubbed it here and there, due to which all the dirt from his eyes came out. Seeing this, many people came to this woman from far away and paid money to get their eyes treated. They believed that she could cure all the eye problems by just licking them. But once while licking, the dirt from her tongue also went away with it. Before seeing what will happen next, if there is a competition between Sri Ramji and Gojo, then those who want Ramji to win should like and send red heart, and Gojo's fans should subscribe and send blue heart. Due to the dirty tongue, its bacteria went into his eyes, due to which he became blind.
Ayan guys, nilagay ko sa rep kasi wanang nagkaano kasi. Yan yung ginagamit ko. Lagyan na lang ng ano to guys, tubig. Wag yung tubig ng ano ha. Wag yung tubig ng gripo. Yung tubig lang ng ano natin guys. Iniinom. Campes. Ito siya guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ano? Pwede nyo din siya ilagay dito. Sarap ay. Yan siya oh. Kung pwede kayo din magawa. Ang stress lang ng ano. Oh. Pero ano din siya. Wow. So guys, ito yung ano niya. 5 hours nyo hintayin. Let's go. Bye-bye. Na. Nandito na ako. So, ayan. Guys, tatabi natin.